What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to install the Netflix app on macOS Tahoe. While there is no official Netflix app on the App Store, at least not in all regions, you can download the Netflix app via your browser from the Netflix homepage. Simply open up your preferred browser. I'm using Chrome, so it might look slightly different on your Mac. From here, head over to netflix.com and make sure you're logged in into your account. Once all of this is done, simply click the three-dot menu icon on the top right of your browser and select Cast, Save and Share. And then install Site as App. As I already installed it, it won't show up here, but this option will be available for you. After clicking on that, you can rename the app, such as Netflix, and then the app will open. If you want to keep it in your dock, then simply right-click the icon, select Options, and then Keep in Dock. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.